Make a great choice today with the 2023 Soul. The Soul is quick and ready with its innovative, catchy style, a sharp, roomy, and well-fitted cabin, and a comprehensive list of safety and fun features. This vehicle has less than 40,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: blind spot monitor, stability control, tire pressure monitor, daytime running lights, engine immobilizer, wheel covers, privacy glass, four-wheel disc brakes, front-wheel drive, steel wheels. Is love at first sight really possible? Let us know when you stop in.
A certified pre-owned Kia is confidence and reliability for the road. With a fantastic warranty, roadside assistance, and an intense quality assurance inspection, you can have total peace of mind. Ask your dealer for details about the Kia Certified program.